Welcome back, guys. This is episode 2 of our YouTube series From Skill to Authority. Last week in episode 1, we talked about why your skill will not pay you unless you learn the business side of it. Over 1,000 of you have watched, liked, shared how the episode has opened your eyes. Today, we are going deeper because it is one thing to know that your skill will not pay you, and it is another thing to actually learn the business and understand the business of it. And that is exactly what we'll be breaking down here. So grab your notepad and let's get into it. Let me ask you a very simple question. If you stopped designing today, who would miss you? For many beginners, the answer is painful. Now, not because you don't know how to design, not because you're not talented, but just because nobody knows you even exist. And that is why many designers quit. They do not quit because design is hard. They quit because they don't get clients. They quit because they've been posting online for months and no one is actually paying attention to them. Listen, I've been there. I know what it feels like to post on Instagram and the whole day you're refreshing your notification, waiting for one client to just see your design and reach out to you. I know what it feels like to get a DM and you open it thinking it's a client, excited, and you get a message, bro, nice design, please can you teach me Pixel Lab or can you teach me Photoshop? You see that frustration? I've lived it, and in today's episode, I'm going to change it for you. Because the truth is, clients are everywhere. Clients are not hiding, but they will only pay you if you've positioned yourself for them to find you, if you know how to find them, and also if you know how to sell something to them that they cannot ignore. So if you've been struggling to get clients or you're tired of having cheap clients, this episode is for you. And after this episode, you will no longer have those problems again. Now let's talk about the client struggle every designer faces. And when you are starting out, there is a painful phase every designer goes through. You post your design online hoping that, oh, this design might attract people to notice you. But nothing happens, or maybe a like or two and a comment from people hyping your designs, right? Then maybe you now start asking your friends and families to support you. Your cousin tells you, oh, come and do a birthday flyer design for me. Or your uncle promised to support your business by doing a banner for his business, which you deep down know that these people are not actually serious. Things turn into months. You start questioning yourself. You even start saying, Abi, is the design industry very saturated? Should I even quit? Clients don't come because you beg. Clients comes when they see you as a solution. And until you make that shift, you keep posting and waiting in frustration. I remembered my early days when I started designing. I'll be designing like my life depends on it. I'll be posting consistently, but nothing was happening. Nobody was paying attention. Then one day I asked myself, am I just creating beautiful designs? Am I just designing art? Or am I here to actually solve people's problem? Let me tell you the harsh truth. Many designers approach clients with a begging spirit. You act like you're asking for help. Please support me. Please patronize me. Please let me design for you. You see that energy is killing you because clients will not hire you out of pity. They hire you because you're valuable. They hire you because you can actually solve their problem. They hire you because you can help their business look professional, attract more customers, and attract more sales. You should not be begging because you are offering transformation. Think about it. If a business has ugly flyers, their logo is nothing to write home about, their social media flyers are not even understandable, how many customers do you think they are losing? A lot. Now imagine you step in, you create functional designs for them, their brand begins to grow, their brand begins to attract more clients. Is that not a transformation you're offering? So why are you begging for clients? See, you're not doing them a favor. You have the power, and the power is right in your hands. Okay, now you're thinking, Miracle, I am not a beggar, but where can I actually find these clients? Where these clients, they are beg. See, clients are everywhere, like I said, but you have to notice them and spot them so you can position yourself so they can actually notice you. Now, let me break down where you can get clients. Number one is your immediate network. And when I say your immediate network, I do not mean your family and friends. No, I'm saying you should be strategic. Now, think of the people you know already that runs a business. That's chorister in your church, that woman beside your street that sells something. Those people might likely patronize you, not because they love you, but because they need branding, they need designs. Now, here's the mistake you might be making. You meet these people and you're like, hey, please let me come and design for you now. That is not how to do it. You should rather show them what is possible. For example, if your friend is selling clothes, You can create like 2 flyer designs for her with her product on it and reach out to the person and say, hey, I noticed your brand is inconsistent. I put up these 2 flyer designs for you to show you how your brand could actually look. If you like it, I can handle your designs going forward for so amounts. Can you see the difference? You didn't beg, rather you offered a solution. Number 2, social media. Social media is not just for vibe, but posting random designs without content would not show that you understand business, and as does, it will not bring you clients. You need to show these people that you actually understand business. That is how clients start seeing you as a thinker, as a strategist, not that Photoshop guy. And please, don't underestimate LinkedIn. There is serious money in there, and as a designer, if you're not on LinkedIn, you're leaving money on the table. Number 3 is referrals. This is the fastest way to build trust. When you serve one client, ask them to recommend you. Many of my clients came from, oh, Miracle did this for me, check her out. Miracle did this for me, check her out. I'm serious. Here's the secret. Don't just hope for referrals, or ask for them. When you finish a work, you ask for referrals because most of these people, they might not do that, right? You could say, please, if you know any other business owner that need, could you connect me with the business owner? See, people will help if you ask so. Number 4, you can join online communities. Like, you should not just be joining graphic design communities where you'll be posting your designs and be asking for CNC or criticism. There are other Facebook communities like business communities where people that sell markets are mainly there, right? You can actually join these communities and post your designs there, and from there you're attracting your desired clients. Now let's move to how to attract paying clients. Finding clients is step 1, attracting paying clients is step 2. Because the truth is, some clients are time wasters. You don't just want to attract time wasters. I'll come and tell you, oh, I'm going to pay you with exposure. Oh, let me send you card. Oh, let me give you 500 naira. So now, how do you attract these high paying clients? Number 1 is position yourself as an authority, not a hustler. If your page looks like a dump yard of random designs, clients will not trust you. I'm not even joking with you. You don't have bio, you don't have structure. Most of the time, you're even posting memes. Please clean up your social media presence. Your Instagram or your LinkedIn page should look like a portfolio. Even though you have just 5 designs there, curate them properly. Remember, it is quality over quantity. Number 2 is speak the language of value, not just the tools. See, client don't care if you use Photoshop, if you use Canva. Instead of you just saying, oh, I design logos, rather say, I design brand identities that makes brands stand out from their competitors. Or instead of saying I design flyers, you can say I design marketing materials that drive sales. That's the difference between a $10 designer and a $500 designer. Number 3, create packages, not just designs. This is where most designers always miss it. Stop selling just one flyer design. Package your designs. Start creating packages like basic flyer design package, premium flyer design package. It will allow you to earn more by doing less. See, clients will pay you more when they see structured packages because they will see you as an authority actually. Even Alex Omozi that launched his book, I think day before yesterday, he sold packages. He didn't just sell a copy. So don't just sell a product, sell offers. Number 4, show proof and testimonials. If you're a newbie and you might not have testimonials early, you can do jobs for people at a discounted rate just to get testimonials. Now you're doing this job in exchange for something. Do you get it? You're doing a job at a discounted rate in exchange for a testimonial. Social proof builds trust faster than anything else. Number 5, don't be afraid to say no because cheap clients go drain you. Learn to filter your clients. When a client tells you, please, can you do it for me free? Please politely say no if you're not willing to do it for free. Oh. You don't need 100 clients to change your life. You just need 3 to 5 solid ones who can pay you well and respect your work. It all depends on how you carry yourself because you can only attract these people if you carry yourself like a professional. So you found where these clients are. You've started attracting them. Now here comes where every designer starts to sweat. Pricing. See, everybody always feel this unease when they're about to say their price, and it's actually normal. But let me give you a trick. Stop charging per hour or by a flyer design. When you tell a client you charge 5,000 naira for a flyer design, you've already lost. Why? Because you've made yourself a commodity and they're going to compare it to the next designer that charges 3,000 naira, and you will end up in a race. For example, if the flyer design you want to create for this brand is promoting a fashion design class where the students are paying like 300k for the class, why will you be charging 5,000 naira for that kind of flyer design? Flyer design that is going to bring in millions of naira. You're collecting 5k for that? No. I said what I said. Number two, create packages. I've said this before. You can create basic package, give your price. What does it contain? Okay, my basic flyer design package contains two flyer designs for 15,000 naira. The economic flyer design package contains four flyer designs for 30,000 naira. So you get it. That's just it. Sense. Then your premium flyer design contains six flyer design for 50,000 naira. Do you understand it? This will help you sell more by doing less. Now, I'm just giving instances, right? Now, here's the psychology of that thing. Most clients want to go for the middle package because they will think that, okay, this one is actually very safe. So you understand it. That way, you're not just charging random amounts. You're using psychology to guide their choice. Now, number three, there's something we call anchoring. Let's say your highest design price is 500,000 naira for, let's say, your premium flyer designs. Do you understand? 500,000 naira. And that 500,000 naira might not be your premium price. Oh. Let's say your premium price go is 1 naira, right? Now, you will now use like 500k as the premium price. Then you allow the 150k to be like the economic. Do you understand? Then you put like 50k in the basic. Now, everybody will feel that, oh, this 150k is actually very cheap compared to the 500k. Nobody know that that 150k is actually your premium price. Do you understand? Because you used anchoring, you put a very, very high price as the premium price. Then your normal premium price, you can use it as the basic price or the economic price so that it will feel safe. Like, okay, this one is actually very safe for me. Let me go for this one. That is anchoring. Now, number four, you have to be confident. If a client comes to you and you tell, I charge 20,000 naira, but I'm going to do it for you 5,000 naira, you've lost the deal because in negotiation, the first person that speaks loses. Yes, that's the first rule in negotiation. To be very honest, the first time I increased my price from 20,000 to 50,000 naira package, when I told the first clients that came to me at that time my price, I was actually shaking. But guess what? They didn't even blink. They paid me. Now imagine if I had said, it's 50,000, yeah, but please, I'm going to do it for you 20,000, yeah. I've lost, right? That's just it. Sometimes I know you might not be very confident to give out your price. Do you understand? You can actually give your phone to somebody. This is what I tell my students. Give your phone to somebody. Tell the person, write this price for me. That way, you're not the one writing the price. Somebody is doing it for you. Do you understand? So anything that happens, you can allow the person to hold your phone for like 10 minutes so that you're not going to feel the anxiety to like text back and say, but ma. No, that's another clue, right? So go with that. Now let's talk about something that is even more powerful than just getting clients. It is keeping them. That is building long-term client relationships. Now here is how to do it. Number one, you have to deliver excellence. Sincerely, no client will forget how you made them feel. If you deliver late, give a trash work, act rude, they will never forget and they will run, they will not come back. Number two, you have to communicate clearly. Most clients' designer drama comes from poor communication, I can tell you. Don't just disappear while working. Update them. Oh, here's a quick check. Oh, this is where I am now. Your work will soon be ready. That actually keeps them safe, especially if they're a first-time client. So they will not think you want to run away with their money. It is normal for every Nigerian to think like that. It's not even Nigerian. It's normal for everybody in the world to think like that, right? Now, number three, you have to position yourself as a partner, not just a vendor. Vendors are replaceable, partners are not. Don't just design and disappear. Ask about their business goals. What is your sales target for this month? Do you have a new campaign coming up? Show interest in their growth, and they will see you as part of the team. Number four is offer retainers. Now, this is where consistent incomes comes in. Instead of you waiting for your clients to just throw in random projects, why not just package it and tell your clients, okay, let me do 10 flyer designs for this 1,000 naira, or let me do 15 flyer designs for this month for you for 200,000 naira. That way, you've actually kept them, you've actually glued them, so they are not running away. They are sticking with you because you have their money and you are to deliver designs for them. You get it. Now, number five, you have to celebrate your clients' little wins. Did they launch a new branch? Did they, okay, it's Happy New Month. Wish them Happy New Month. It's Salah or it's Christmas. Send them those messages. It makes them feel loved. Do you understand it? Now, the design industry is actually saturated, but what will separate you from the other is the kind of relationships you have with your clients. They cannot leave you. They'll be like, this person, I've been working with this person for 2 years, and sincerely, she's a very, very good designer. I love the way she accommodates me. I love the way she speaks to me. Do you get it? So my challenge to you today is, don't just see yourself as a designer, see yourself as a problem solver. Stop charging per design, build offers. Stop chasing new clients endlessly. Build relationships with the ones you had before. If you apply what I shared in this episode, your design business will change drastically. And listen, if this episode blessed you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and comment. Share it with another designer who needs this, and please drop your biggest takeaway in the comments. I read all the comments sincerely, and your feedback keeps me going. Remember, your skill will not pay you until you learn how to position yourself, package, and present it the right way. And that is what I'm here to help you do. My name is Miracle Edet Okon. See you in episode 3.